start with the name of Allah, the Almighty and the Most Merciful. One beautiful heart is better than 1,000 beautiful faces. If you feel like you are losing everything, remember that trees lose their leaves every year, and still they stand tall and wait for better days to come. Mannered people are better than well-educated ones. Worry about your character and not your reputation, because your character is who you are, and your reputation is only what people think of you. Mistake is a single page of life, but relation is a complete book. So don't close a full book for a single page. If you stay positive in a negative situation, you win. A bird sitting on a tree is never afraid of the branch breaking, because its trust is not on the branch but on its own wings. So believe in yourself that I can do. Every positive thought is a silent prayer that will change your life. Jealousy is a good indication that you are doing things the right way. People will never get jealous of loser. Never beg someone to be in your life. If you text, call, visit, and still get ignored, walk away. It's called self-respect. Happy people are always happy not because everything is right in their life. They are happy because their attitude towards everything is right. Quiet people are actually talkative around the right people.